What's up? BRAVEANAFURY here, and I am here on July 1st watching fireworks. I just saw a whole bunch. I'm not sure if I caught that on video yet. I'm watching them. I hear a whole bunch, but I don't see a whole bunch. I just hear a whole bunch. There was like a whole bunch. I don't know if I got that on video though. Can you hear that? I'm not sure if we can, but someone is saying the... Well, whatever. Whoa, you see that? You see that, peoples? Okay. Sound like a shotgun. Huge one. Whoa! Whoa! Dad.
See it better here.
Whoa, you see that?
You can zoom in a little bit.
Whoa! I hear music right now. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, that was loud. I hear music, I'm guessing from a car. Whoa! Oh, if you can just actually like see this in real life, it's awesome. It looks better when you're in real life. There goes a big one. Whoa! I have to upload this on YouTube. Whoa! It looks better when you see it in person. Trust me, my cool glasses are falling off. Too bad I can't show my face, so I'll show you. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh, that looks awesome. Oh no, I'm blocking it. I don't know if you can hear it, but you hear like what I hear right now is like a parade music, whatever. I just hear that in somebody's car or something. Whoa, that looks awesome. I Oh, it would be cool if the Friendship Warriors got so popular they made a firework that had the Friendship Warrior symbol. Whoa, that is so bright. You should see this in real life.
I'm watching on it. Okay.
It looks so cool right now. Crap, there's a car coming. No, get out of here, you stupid car. Get out of here. Get out of here, stupid car. That looks awesome. Whoa! Oh, if you were in person, it would look awesome. Hopefully I might get some subscribers, maybe not. I just thought this would be cool. It is the 1st, not the 4th yet. But hopefully I will make a video on the 4th of July. Dad boy. Dad boy. Probably only going to be about 10 minutes. Whoa, that looks awesome. Probably just about 10 minutes. Oh gosh. Maybe. Whoa. That looks awesome. That was the biggest boom yet. Oh my gosh, I wonder if, I don't know if I got that on camera. Well, I did get it on camera, I just wonder if I got the sound. There's a I ain't gonna be talking much because I'm just admiring how great these fireworks are. Two-tone. Whoa, I love those. You could actually see the clouds and see how it comes down like a waterfall. Oh my gosh, I think that's the highest one so far. I can see like the smoke. I don't think you can see it on camera, but I can like see the smoke of where the last firework was. That one looked cool. I might be moving a little bit every time I turn around because I'm watching for cars. Whoa! That's awesome. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. That scared me. I saw a little one in the corner. I don't know how long I'm going to be doing this, but oh my gosh. Might look a little bit too much red, but I think that's fine. Oh gosh. If I can show you my face right now, it'll look meowvelous. Look really meowvelous and awesome. Because I have like these really cool OG glasses. Oh my gosh, that was orange. I'm pretty sure it didn't seem orange on the camera, but it sure looked orange in real life. Whoa, pretty gold. Okay, that was the biggest one so far. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Whoa, pink one. Nah, stupid car. move so much now. Whoa! I'm looking out for cars. You're not helping me, Dad. Yeah, I'm probably going to be a little bit over 10 minutes. I am running out of power. I have like 26%. Barely see that one, but it looked cool. Oh gosh, I did it again. Not saying what though. Whoa, that looks amazing. That looks amazing. Oh gosh, that's a big boom. I remember how I was real little. Every time I came here, I used to cover my ears because it was so loud. Not gonna happen this time though. Oh my god, that was the highest one. Oh my god, I just zoomed up, it looks even better. Whoa! Probably about it, might be running out of space. A couple more, that's it. Well, I think that might be all I'm doing, so, well, stay with the Friendship Boys. Happy early 4th of July. This is my family tradition now, so stay with the Friendship Boys. Bye, people. See you next time. BRAVEANAFURY out.